Hello, I'm Tatiana. I have been working with young Latin Americans for the last 4 years. It's the time to get together.
Join us for the first gathering of social connectors for youth participation on the 14th and 15th of July in Cali, Colombia.
Eso es para IRMO television.
Groups of young people from Venezuela, Argentina, Brazil, Colombia and the UK believe in the importance of creating strong networks that lead to positive global changes. We're ready. Help us to make it happen. In 2007, a group of young Latin Americans went to the International Forum for Young People in Venezuela. Their result was an initiative to create a project involving other young migrants from the UK. This initiative was called Latin American Youth Forum. The aim is to support and raise awareness about migrant issues and gain critical thinking. Since then, they ran a forum which they've called Together as One. In 2009, young people discussed issues related to education and the increase in the university fees, the stop and police search, and the issues related to undocumented young people. In 2010, the yearly Youth Forum touched on issues to do with the immigration control and the social welfare system. In 2011, Latin American Youth Forum members wanted to reshape the forum and invited people for 2 sessions. One was held at the Mayor of London building to talk about poverty issues, lack of opportunities and the media. The second session consisted in a film festival that showcased short documentaries with issues related to homelessness in the UK, mining, indigenous and Afro-descendant communities. This year's Together as One discussions were about the volunteering culture, as the majority of our organizations run thanks to the help of committed volunteers who help us to make it happen. After more than 4 years of gatherings, we now believe that it's the time to strengthen the networks to create a bigger and stronger impact.
We're raising money to pay for the expenses of 30 young participants working with disadvantaged communities to attend the gathering. They are ready for the 14th and 15th of July in Cali, Colombia, but they do not have the means. Help us to make it happen.